Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Someone gave us a deer last year, and we processed it ourselves. Before that, my upright freezer looked pretty good, and I knew what was in it. But as we had to move quickly to get the deer cut, ground, and packaged, I just shoved bag after bag into the freezer anywhere I could find space. I planned to organize it later, but it was such a mess that I've avoided it. I decided to use the 10-minute declutter and face the freezer today. I divided the freezer into 5 parts. The door was one part, and each of the shelves were another part. I can do all 5 sections in one day or do one section a day, depending on how much time I want to spend decluttering. Regardless, dividing up the job into manageable segments makes a difference. If it wasn't frozen food, I could have taken everything out at once for one of the 10-minute segments, organized it for another segment, and put it back for another 1 or 2 segments. But since it was frozen food, I couldn't leave it out for an extended period of time. I started with the door because it was the easiest. I took everything out, one shelf at a time, wiped off each shelf, and put things back as I wanted. I also relocated a few things. I left the yeast and butter on the top 2 shelves. I moved up some crabapple sauce in containers to the shelf above where it was previously. I also moved some peaches to a shorter shelf. I put the crabapple juice on the bottom shelf, and I noticed another container of crabapple juice, as well as some cherry juice in another part of our freezer, and added those to my shelves. Putting all of the juice in one area will make it easy when I'm ready to make another batch of jelly later this month. I focused on the area I was doing, and it was done before I knew it. Find a small section, shelf, or drawer in your home. Set the timer for 10 minutes and see what a difference you can make in such a short time. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.